Extended Read 1. Remember to annotate as you read.
A Foxy Garden by Jeffrey First. One July day, when pleasant smells surfed along the breeze, Bear found a row of ripe blueberry bushes by the creek. He stuffed himself with berries and then fell asleep. Squirrel and Rabbit followed their noses to the blueberry patch too. When they started eating the berries, Bear woke up. "Hey!" growled Bear. "Those are my blueberries! Scram! Or else!" Squirrel and Rabbit hightailed it back to the woods, where they told their wise friend Fox what happened. "Bear is being his usual selfish self," said Fox. "We'll have to do something about that." Fox grabbed a handful of his special, fast-growing seeds. Then he went to Bear and said, "I am going to plant a garden with delicious vegetables. I could use someone strong to help." "What's in it for me?" asked Bear, as he gulped down another pawful of berries. "We'll share, of course," said Fox. "You can have everything that grows above the ground. I will get everything that grows below the ground." Bear laughed. "You will eat stuff covered in dirt? Yuck! I will take that deal." "How about we grow carrots?" Fox suggested. Bear thought for a moment and then said, "I love carrots. They are good raw or cooked. Let's get to work." Bear and Fox dug holes for the carrot seeds. They planted and watered the seeds. The seeds grew. After a while, the carrots were ready. Bear pulled up the carrots, his mouth watering at the thought of carrot soup and carrot cake. Fox took the carrots, cut off the green tops, and gave them to Bear. Fox kept the orange roots for himself. "Hey!" said Bear. "The green tops are not good for eating. I want the orange part." "Ah," said Fox, "the orange part is the root. It grows below the ground. Remember our deal? You got everything that grows above the ground." Bear roared and growled, but there was nothing he could do. A deal is a deal. Then he said, "I want to plant a new crop. This time, I will get what grows below the ground. You will get what grows above the ground." "Okay," said Fox. "How about celery?" "I love celery," said Bear. "It's a tasty snack with peanut butter and makes a healthful drink too." Bear and Fox planted and watered the celery seeds. The seeds grew. After a while, the celery was ready. Bear pulled up the celery, licking his lips in anticipation. Fox cut off the thick stems that grew above the ground. "Crispy and refreshing," said Fox as he munched on a stem, giving Bear the celery roots that grew below the ground. "Ah!" said Bear, biting into the bitter celery root. "You fooled me once. You fooled me twice. This time, let's plant another garden. I will get the roots and the stems." "Okay," said Fox. "How about something that makes a good salad?" Bear thought about salad. "Lettuce makes a good salad," he said, his tongue tapping his teeth. "It is good in a sandwich, too. Let's get to work." Bear and Fox planted and watered lettuce seeds. The seeds grew. After a while, the lettuce lettuce was ready to harvest. Bear picked armfuls of lettuce. "It's mine! All mine!" he cried. "Not so fast," said Fox. "You said you would get the roots and the stems. What you are holding are the leaves of lettuce. As we agreed, those belong to me." "Unfair!" yelled Bear. "Unfair, unfair, unfair! And now I am hungry for lettuce. I want a salad with carrots and celery." "What a good idea, Bear," said Fox. "I will make a lettuce, carrot, and celery salad. I will invite Squirrel and Rabbit. The three of us will have a picnic under the chestnut tree." Bear stormed off to the blueberry bushes by the creek. "Unfair!" he muttered slowly, nibbling a berry. Soon sadness pushed aside anger, for now Bear felt left out. He listened to the creek flowing past him. "Gurgle, whoosh," said the creek, and Bear understood. He took a long, cool drink. Then he picked 4 baskets of blueberries and brought them to the picnickers under the chestnut tree. "I was wrong not to share the berries," said Bear. "Here is a basket for each of you." "Why, thank you, Bear," said Squirrel. "They will make a yummy dessert," said Rabbit. "And since you are sharing," said Fox, "please join our